Hello cousins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Big Mama Cooks and here I make mom level recipes made easy and I air fry them too. Today's air fryer recipe is going to be air fryer empanadas or air fryer patelitos. Before we start, I'd like to let you know I own and use a 7-quart Power XL air fryer. If you're interested, I have it linked in the description below. For this recipe, I'm going to be using packaged empanada discs that I find at the frozen section of the supermarket. I am going to thaw my empanadas and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of filling into each empanada disc. I like to note that this is a very versatile recipe. You can add just about any filling you can think of to this. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of shredded chicken that I had left over to one side of my empanadas, as you see here. I'm going to make sure I have enough room to seal the edges. So I'm going to flip over the top of the empanada disc and then I'm going to seal the edges. First, I press them down with my fingertips and then I'm going to go in with a fork and seal them with the fork. All it takes is applying some slight pressure to the fork so it can seal both sides of the empanada discs together, and that's only so that the filling doesn't escape. Like any good Dominican, I'm going to serve my empanadas with some mayo ketchup. All this is 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 teaspoon of garlic, all mixed together. If you've ever wondered what that pink sauce is that you get from the fritura spot, this is it, mayo ketchup, easy peasy. I'm going to spray my preheated air fryer basket with some non-stick spray and I'm going to lay all of my empanadas flat. Then I'm going to just make a simple egg wash, beat 1 egg, and brush the top of my empanadas with some egg wash for some extra bronzy color. I'm going to air fry this for 6 minutes at 365. Again, 6 minutes at a preheated 365. When I pull it out, look how pretty and bronzy my empanadas are. All I'm gonna do is flip them over, and right before I add them back into the air fryer, I'm gonna plug in my ebook. I have an air fryer ebook, 65 recipes for $25, link below. My empanadas are going right back into the air fryer for an extra 3 minutes at 365, so 9 minutes total. At the end of those 3 minutes, we have completed our air fryer empanadas. This recipe is so easy and so quick to make, and you can literally fill it with anything: ground beef, shredded chicken, ham and cheese, guava and cream cheese. The possibilities are endless. Cousin, if you're looking for fried empanadas, this is a healthier alternative. This is a healthier alternative to traditional frying with no oil used. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to hit like. See you again next time.